This video presents some of the work created for Markforged and the working elements for a design system. This video features the Markforged Visual Identity Design System. Key elements of the Markforged Visual Identity Design System include the animated loading icon, hype video, and motion design. We are looking at version 2.0 of the Visual Identity System from October 2020. The table of contents outlines the sections covered, including introduction, design principles, voice and tone, graphic elements, application, and appendix. Our visual identity helps the world understand who we are and what we do. These guidelines ensure consistent application across all communications and differentiate us from competitors. Our brand voice is confident, concise, and direct, with an optimistic and ambitious vision for modern manufacturing. We use clear language even for complex technical topics. To maintain clarity and brand recognition, we ensure our logos are never obstructed. We always give them breathing room by maintaining a clear space around them. Our logos work well at large and small scales, but there are minimum size values to ensure they are legible. These are shown here in pixels. We use our logos in two ways: positively using color on light backgrounds, or negatively using white on dark backgrounds. Black can also be used on our primary manufacturing yellow color. Manufacturing yellow, black, and white form our primary color palette. The grayscale palette provides shades from 2% to 60% black, including 4 metal tones. Our support color palette is not meant to replace the brand colors, but rather to help designate key information. These colors should be used very carefully and only in specific circumstances. The primary typeface is Replica Regular, a bold sans serif design used for both text and headlines. It is a well-balanced typeface with a soft, low-contrast contour. Neue Haas Unica serves as our secondary typeface. We only recommend 8 of its styles and weights: light, regular, medium, bold, and their italics. Rubik Regular is the typeface substitution for Replica in Google Docs and Slides, and Helvetica Neue is the substitute for Neue Haas Unica. We use a range of type sizes to express hierarchy. Larger type, 27 points and above, is set in Replica, while smaller text is set in Unica. Tracking refers to the space between letters. The default tracking for Replica is set to optical and -25. For Neue Haas Unica, we suggest 0 tracking for text 21 points and smaller. Line breaks refer to the irregular or uneven vertical margin. Correct rags are created by manual line breaks or copy editing. Incorrect rags create distracting shapes of white space. Animated type is a rich visual identity element, allowing us to express the personality and mechanics of additive printing. Animation should not appear as a soft transition, but a forceful use of typography. Iconography and illustration hold an important role within our identity to guide users and simplify complex information. Icons use universal visual shorthands, while illustrations create realistic documentations. This video continues the overview of Markforged's visual identity system. We are exploring the various graphic elements and their intended usage. The design system ensures consistency across all visual communications. Thank you for watching this video on the Markforged Visual Identity System.